Hello, my name is Zelia, and today I'll be showing the program execution expression that me and my group mates have made. So for the program execution expression, aka the infix, we have added a lot of things to it, which are the operands, which such as H, B, D, G, C, A, F, and E. We also added operators such as the plus symbol, subtraction, multiplication, division, and also the brackets needed. So this is the program execution expression that we have made, which is as shown in brackets H plus B multiply in brackets D minus G plus C divide in brackets A plus F minus E. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Amza Shami and today I'll be presenting on how to change this infix notation made by my group into a postfix notation. In order to change the infix notation into postfix notation, we must first know how to change it. So basically, these operators, which are the symbols plus, times, minus, and divided by, are usually behind the operands, which are these letters H, B, D, G, C, A. Now let's begin converting them. I will divide this infix notation into two parts to make it easier to convert. The first part will be H plus B times D minus G. Now to convert this into a postfix notation, as I said before, the operators must be behind the operands. So I'll start with H plus B and it will turn into HB plus. And will be the same for D minus G, where it will turn into DG minus. And in the end, I will include this times symbol. And this is the postfix notation for our first part, HB plus DG minus times. And for our second part, it will be C divided by A plus F minus E. And to convert this part, I will start with C, A, and F. Then I'll include this plus symbol. And then I'll continue with E minus divided by. So this will be the postfix notation for the second part. And to create the overall postfix notation for our infix notation, we must combine these two, which I'll do here. So when combined, it will be HB plus DG minus times CAF plus E minus divided by. So this is basically the combination of these two postfix notations. And finally, I will add this plus symbol which connected these two parts of our infix notation previously. And this will be the postfix notation or infix notation. Thank you very much.
I will be explaining about the stack diagram, and I will also explain the step-by-step stack evaluation, as you can see right here. The expression that will be evaluated is as shown in brackets h plus b multiplied in brackets d minus g plus c divided by in brackets a plus f minus e. Step 1. First, we start by adding the first variable, which is h, onto the stack. So now the stack holds only one variable, which is h. Step 2. We add variable b onto the stack. So now the stack holds two variables, which is variable h and variable b. Step 3. We compute. We add h and b together. We combine both, and by doing so, it becomes h plus b. So it replaces with h and b into h plus b. So now the stack holds h plus b. Step 4. We add d onto the stack. So now the stack holds h plus b and variable d. Next, step 5. We add g onto the stack. So now the stack holds h plus b, d, and also g. Next, step 6. We subtract g from d to get d minus g. So now it replaces the variable d and g that was separated. So now the stack holds h plus b and d minus g. Next, we compute by multiplying h plus b and d minus g. So by doing so, we replace it with in brackets h plus b multiplied in brackets d minus g. So now the stack holds this as shown here. Okay, next, step 8. We add c onto the stack. So now the stack holds in brackets h plus b multiply in brackets d minus g and variable c. Next, step 9, we add variable a onto the stack. So now the stack holds in bracket h plus b multiply in brackets d minus g, variable c, and also variable a. Step 10, we add variable f onto the stack. So now the stack holds in brackets h plus b multiply d minus g in brackets, that is, and also variable c, variable a, and variable f. Next, for step 11, we add a and f together. So it computes into a plus f. So variable a and f will change into a plus f. So it basically replaces it. So now the stack holds in brackets h plus b multiply in brackets d minus g, variable c, and a plus f. For step 12, we add e onto the stack. So now the stack holds in brackets h plus b multiply in brackets d minus g, c, a plus f, and also e. Okay, step 13. We subtract variable e from a plus f. So it will become A plus F minus E. So now we replace variable E and A plus F with A plus F minus E. So now the stack holds in brackets H plus B multiply in brackets D minus G, C, and also A plus F minus E. For step 14, we divide variable C with A plus F minus E. By computing this, we replace the variables from step 13, and now, as you can see in step 14, it is as shown. The variables inside the stack are in bracket H plus B multiply in brackets D minus G, C divide in brackets A plus F minus E. Last but not least, for step 15, we compute the final result for the entire thing. So we add in brackets H plus B multiply in brackets D minus G with C divide in brackets A plus F minus E. By adding them together, we get the final result, as you can see here, which is in brackets H plus B multiply in brackets D minus G plus C divide in brackets A plus F minus E.